In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a brand new document in LibreOffice Writer. Simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. If you're already in Writer and want to start fresh, click File in the top left corner, then choose New Text Document. A new blank page opens instantly, ready for writing. At the top, you'll see the toolbar with your basic writing tools: font, size, bold, and alignment. The big white space below is where all your text goes. Once you've typed something, click File Save As, pick a folder, give your document a name, and hit Save. That's it. Your new file is ready to go. And you're all set. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick LibreOffice tutorials that make learning simple.